Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. I thought I would try something different. I used to do these back in the day. Who remembers the weekly vlogs? I literally would vlog every single week. I'd vlog like 3 days of that week, put it live on a Sunday. Was it a Sunday? It was a long time ago. It's when Marc and I lived in London, so we're talking like 5-6 years ago now. I'm a grandma on YouTube. But I thought I would give that a go because it's really tricky to vlog a whole day when my whole day is looking after my lovely baby and trying to make him laugh, which is now my #1 purpose in life, when that's something that I don't share online. So I thought I would just do a couple of snippets this week and do more of a weekly vlog. So let me know if this is something that you enjoy, that you like, drop a comment, always here for the feedback. But today is a filming day. I'm just tidying up. I've got to hang this up. It's our day of the week to really get a beefy amount of stuff done. So we've already shot video, it's now lunchtime, and I'm gonna make a cheese toastie, which is quite controversial when I don't even have cheese on a pizza order. Whenever I order take up pizza, I say no cheese or less cheese if that is an option, because I'm not crazy about melted cheese. So basically my version of a cheese toastie is a cheese sandwich that has barely touched the sides of the griddle or pan or whatever we're using. But we had some cream of tomato soup left over, and I just love a tomato soup with a not cheese toastie dipped in. Oh, perfection. Also, this video is sponsored by Freddy's Flowers. I will get to that in a bit. My box of flowers has arrived and I can't wait to put it together, do my little flower arrangement moment. It's always a good part of my day. But I thought I would share with you my outfit. Actually, I can just do it here. The cardigan is from Tove Studio and it's just their super long sleeve cardigan, and then underneath I've got a Uniqlo thermal top on. It's cold, it's very cold today actually. Then my Acne Studios jeans. I'll put on my Dear Frances Park boots when I go out. That's it. I've got my R necklace, I'll link it down below. My Jewelry earrings, my Jewelry bracelet. I'm always getting asked where my strap is from, and it's just the Apple strap. I'll link it down below for you. But a very casual outfit for a day of filming, and then also I'm going to the dentist later on. Finally, I had norovirus actually really badly on my maternity leave. Oh my word, I do not wish that on anyone. It was like the grimmest week ever, and I was due to see the dentist. Then obviously had norovirus, couldn't go. So I'm finally gonna get my teeth cleaned, a clean bill of health in my mouth, fingers crossed. I feel like I might have upset some people with that cheese toastie, but to me, it was perfect. A thin layer of non-melted cheese in the middle, dipped in to tomato soup. Even better if it was spicy tomato soup, that really like hits the spot. But yeah, it was really good. When cheese toasties go like that, you know what I mean? Not for me, not for me. But I know there are some big melted cheese fans out there. Sorry for that. Now this part of the video is sponsored by Freddy's Flowers. I've had some of their boxes of flowers before, and actually, fun fact, there were some tulips that still had the bowl on the bottom, and you took off the bowl, stored them in your fridge in a little brown paper bag, and then you could plant them the following spring. And we actually have done that. So under our bay tree in the garden, there are going to be some Freddy's Flowers tulips, hopefully springing up in the next couple of months. But anyway, I've got ahead of myself. Freddy's Flowers. The clue is in the name, but they deliver fresh seasonal flowers direct to your doorstep across the country. These arrangements are absolutely beautiful, but you sign up and then you get weekly flower deliveries, and they're just absolutely beautiful. Like, who doesn't love having a nice, fresh cut flower arrangement in your home? It's just nice. It's a fully flexible service. You can cancel at any time, you can skip deliveries at any time. They're all in bud, so they're gonna last ages. They're super fresh. These flowers hang around for a long time. So let's see what we have this week. This is how your flowers are delivered. Ooh. So the theme of this week's box is tea and toast. This is your styling guide. So here you've got all of the blooms that are included inside. A little bit of information about each one, and then a step-by-step guide of how to arrange them. This is so a bit of me. Love the cute little extra touches, and this is what it's going to start looking like from bud, and then it's going to end like that. Well, let's see the flowers. Let's have a look at these beauties. Oh, that is nice. Looks like there's some lilies in there. My mom's gonna love this one. She loves a lilac flower. But yeah, let's get arranging. Okay, I'm rolling up my sleeves. Quite literally. I'll show you what I've got here. So this is the classic Freddy's Flowers vase. It's custom made. It like fits all of their flower arrangements perfectly. And I have an offer code, Anna Edit. I'll put it on the screen now. You get this vase and a cut down vase, which I will share with you later on in the vlog. Good vases are hard to come by, I will tell you that. If you've ever watched any of my Q&As, you would have heard me say that my dream job, aside from obviously what I do now, which is the ultimate dream job, would be to be a florist, because I love an early morning, and I don't know, I just always enjoyed arranging flowers. I think it's a very nice, peaceful thing to do. It's a very mindful moment in my day when I get to do this, which doesn't happen all that often these days. There's something about it that just forces you to pause. I'm here for that. Oh, it's pretty. February's theme is love. It is all about love, so I look forward to seeing what those boxes look like. I'm loving these flower close-ups. They look so nice. I am fully here for the arranging guide. This is my favourite bit. Create an even triangle with your snapdragons a little more centrally using the stem grid for support. Okay, these ones. Beautiful. And then I've got 2 LA lilies. Let's just trim the stems. And then just upright in the centre. Wow, you get so many stems, but it looks beautiful. I'm really happy with that. How good do these look? And they're not even bloomed yet. They look amazing. I so thoroughly enjoyed doing that. It's such a grey, horrible, nasty day outside, and look at that. That is just happiness in a vase right there. On the other end of the scale, I'm now gonna go see the dentist. Fun times. Good morning. It is the beginning of the week. I'm home alone, the boys are out, so now is my moment, my time to chop, get stuff done. I'm getting ready so I can shoot my outfit reel of the week. I will share a little behind the scenes of that. And of course, a Monday is just a very organisation-y, planning day. I'm gonna try and sort of plan out the outfits that I'd like to recreate on Instagram this week. If I can make some of those collages that I share on Instagram stories, and just try and get ahead with those. They take so long to do, and I also try and like find dupes and link up dupes. So I'm finding that Monday is a good time just to sit down and sort of think about what I'm planning content-wise in the week, and yeah, just try and get one step ahead. Sorry, I am slapping on this foundation. It's actually the Beauty Pie Sheer Tinted Oil-Free SPF 20 in the shade Light, and then I mix it with the Beauty Pie All-in Wonder Illuminating Primer. And then I top it up with the Kosas concealer. I use the shade 03. I love this concealer. It is so creamy and blendable. We had friends to stay at the weekend, and we actually went out on Saturday night to celebrate Marc's birthday early, and we went to a place in, it's kind of like the Brighton Hove border, and it's called Market, and it was so good. It's a Spanish tapas restaurant, and it was incredible. The friend that we took actually lived in Madrid for quite a few years, so I was a bit nervous to see what she would make of it, but she said it was really, really good. It got a thumbs up from her, so that was awesome. We'd definitely add that to my list of places to eat out in town. I'm just gonna put a bit of bronzer on my eyelids. Could I be any more slapdash right now? Bit of mascara, the Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill Wet, the usual. I might go for the fancy Hermes lip balm today. I feel like I need a bit of oomph. Bring me oomph. And you know what? I feel like I've got extenuating circumstances. I need a little bit more highlight in my life. So this is the Chanel Balm. I'm just gonna put that on tops of my cheeks. Right, we are ready to roll. So a little behind the scenes from a reel. I bought this thing online. Instagram advertising. It is so spot on, and I kept being served this, and I was like, actually, this looks so good for like content creators. If you want to do like videos or reels and you want them to be a bit more on the fly and just a little bit easier to do. So it's this little cube, opens up like this. This becomes your base, and then you go, woo! Fully adjustable. This thing holds your phone. In the base there's a little remote and you can do like self-shooting, you can change, there's like a light on the front, a light on the back, and I think it also goes on a 90-degree angle as well. It is just so clever. I literally took a video of me using this, sent it to Lily and was like, this is so good. Obviously, I'm trying to make my processes here as efficient as possible, and I really wanted to find a way to make more real content, REEL, on Instagram, and sort of do get ready with me's in the morning, like as I was getting ready, and this honestly makes it so easy. I'll share the link to this one down below, but I think there's quite a few of them, and then you can just back in. It's amazing. So I'm going to do a reel now. I really wanted to do one that was styling leather trousers two ways, like a dressing up, dressing down, using my Under Stories black leather trousers that I've had for years, and then I've got a mango white pair that I think I've had for about a year, and they're awesome as well. So let's get shooting. Just had to do the maths in my head, but it's been 5 days since this arrangement for Freddie's Flowers arrived, and I mean, look at that. It's beautiful, but it still hasn't even reached its full potential after 5 days, which is incredible. So flowers looking great. I've really got the itch to bake something tonight. It's been a while. And actually, I think the last time I baked these. They are the Kitchen Projects newsletter by a wonderful, wonderful baker called Nicola Lamb. A friend recommended her to me, and now I'm just obsessed and absolutely adore her newsletter. I will put a link down below if you want to sign up to her newsletter. It's brilliant. And she put out a recipe for peanut butter chocolate shortbread, and they were so good, so easy. It was like, oh, just throw it in a stand mixer. You could easily just do it by hand or with an electric mixer, and it's basically a log of shortbread. I don't know how long you put it in the freezer for. An hour minimum, or in the fridge for 4 hours. These will keep for a month in the freezer. Yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do is either I'll leave them in for an hour and we can have them as a post-dinner, like little dessert, or I'll leave them in overnight, and then when I next vlog, I'll get them out and show you them. I actually make double the recipe, and I make the log a lot bigger than she suggests, because I don't want my cookies like that, I want my cookies like that. So yeah, let's get cooking. Morning. So good delivery day today. First of all, the Marc Premium Stain and Water Repellent Repel Spray. Apparently it's like a continuous spray, and you just spray all your shoes. I've been on the market for a Suede Protector. Like, I have a lot of suede in my life right now. I have my Ugg slippers, I have my Ugg minis, because I'm having a real reliving my youth moment. Uggs are back, it's very exciting. Especially for my past, like 18-year-old self. I have the Birkenstock Boston clogs, and yeah, it needs protecting. And so I asked online for your favorite suede protectors, and this one came up really highly recommended. This Nick Wax one, Nubuck and Suede Proof Spray On Waterproofing. And I used it on my Ugg slippers, and they turned out completely fine. But I did feel like it darkened the fabric slightly, and also it wasn't a continuous spray, it was like one that you had to pump. So it felt like it went on a bit unevenly. I mean, my slippers still look fine. They still look great. But I felt like there was perhaps a better one on the market, and our friends that came to stay at the weekend, the guy recommended this. He was like, Anna, saw your Instagram story, you're asking for a suede protector. I found it on End Clothing, so I'm gonna give this a go and I will report back. And also he suggested that I buy a suede rubber, really good for getting stains out apparently, and then a suede brush. And again, this is from the Marc brand as well. So I'll link these down below for you, but my suede will be protected. I'm determined. And even more brilliant post, more Freddie's Flowers. Today is my delivery day. It's 1 week later from the first clip. So, oh look, leave your box out and we'll collect it with your next delivery. Ah, genius. This week's flowers, Daydreaming. So hopefully they will look a little something like that. And I've also now got the cut down bars. Keep flowers going longer. Some flowers last longer than others. Trim them down by half whip out any wilted stems or excess leaves and arrange in our bespoke cut down vase. Look at how good last week's bouquet is still looking. This is exactly 1 week later. So I'm gonna take a nice little moment of my morning. I'm gonna cut down these, stick them in the cut down vase. That frees up my big vase for my new bunch. They still look so good. Right, ready for a little speedy montage moment. I was filming then, I was so in the zone. So this week's fresh flowers, last week's fresh flowers, still going strong. I completely forgot to mention earlier when I mentioned my code AnnaEdit, babes, keep it on the screen here, here. That when you use that code, you get these 2 vases for free. So the original Freddie's Flowers vase and then the cut down vase, and you also get 50% off of your first box of flowers. Probably should have remembered to say that, kind of a big deal. So use that code, get yourself 2 beautiful free vases and then also 50% off of your first box. And as I mentioned, fully flexible, you can skip whenever you want, you can cancel whenever you want, you can really tailor this to you. You can have flowers fortnightly, monthly, or you can just go ham on flowers and have them direct to your front door weekly. They're beautiful and it is so nice to take a bit of time out of your day and arrange them. I can vouch for that. Also, such a good way to like zhuzh up your Zoom background. I'm always looking for ways to do that. Anyway, you might have noticed the oven is on. I'm gonna cook the cookies. Shall I show you my frozen roll? Now this doesn't look too appetizing, I have to say, but I'm just gonna leave it out at room temp for like 10 minutes just so it's a little bit easier to cut. And it's as easy as just chopping the log, putting them on a baking sheet and throwing them in the oven. So let's do that. Here we go. I definitely cut them too thick. They are very thick and they are definitely not cooked in the middle. But I'm kind of okay with it. Just don't do as I do, like, because I think Nicola makes like 22 and I've made 9. Okay, I packaged up some cookies for my mum and dad. Marc and I are gonna go ahead and have a patty and bun, which I haven't had since maybe like a week before I gave birth. And I was so hungry. I don't think I've ever been so ravenous in my entire life as I have at that particular moment in time. I mean, I'm still hungry today, but I'm definitely not about to give birth in a week levels of hungry. So I think we're gonna head there, then head back, drop these around mum and dad's and see our baby. Forgot to end the vlog. So this is the official goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Freddie's Flowers for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you next weekend for a brand new one. Bye. Bye.